Okay, assalamu alaikum everybody. So in the last class we have learned some new words, and I have given you some homework to know to remember the words meaning, to memorize the word meaning and its uses. And you know that knowing different types of words, synonymous words, is very much important in our life, in reading, writing, in speaking. To enrich your vocabulary, new words is very much significant. So why do you learn new words? New words, so to make your vocabulary stronger, correct? Last day we have learned about ambiguous. Ambiguous, what does it mean? Ambiguous means, so open to more than one interpretation. Ambiguous means open to more than one interpretation. So it is unclear and it has more meaning. It has more than one meaning. That is called ambiguous. Conflagration, a large, huge, destructive fire. You just pronounce with me, conflagration. Conflagration. One by one you pronounce conflagration, a huge, destructive fire. Next, conjecture. Conjecture, an opinion based on incomplete information. So maybe someone can tell anything by gazing, by anticipating something, so that he or she doesn't have any clear information regarding anything. So that is called conjecture. That is, it is one type of gazing something. Another is diatribe. Diatribe means very much new, forceful and bitter verbal attack. Can you see from the behind? Last one, Shulata, can you see it? Diatribe, can you see? A forceful, bitter verbal attack. Okay, when you say this word, when you pronounce these words again and again, okay, your pronunciation will be nicer and smoother. Next, disparage, to belittle. Belittle. That means to make someone mean, base, to make someone inferior. Divulge or divulge. Divulge, to reveal information. To reveal information. Is it too tough for you? Okay, so keep it for today. Numbers 5, 6. Up to 6 you just also try at home and with your friends, try to pronounce and try to memorize. Memorize and pronounce loudly so that you can have the meaning, and you need to remember, you need to know the meaning and its uses. Try to have some sentences, write down the sentences or make sentences with these words. Now this task this is done for today's words. Now I want to have some passages for you to note make. Okay, so you have to read these passages. There are new words also. You need to read this text at first and try to understand the meaning, and after that you just get some important point from this. So what is this passage about? Can you see on the screen? This passage is about some animals, some wonders of the nature. So read the first passage, and in your question paper you will have this type of passage, and in the question you have to write that, read the passage and identify identify the specific points, specific features of animals. So what are the specific features we are getting? Some particular, some spatial features we are getting from these passages. So from the beginning, whenever you see pictures of animals or gaze at them in a zoo. Gaze means when you look at something. We are often astounded by their beauty. What does it mean, astounded? Astounded means astonished, surprised, astonished or surprised, astounded. Okay? Astound, please write down. Astound, astonished or surprised. Okay? Surprised. A magnificent, the tiger with its well-defined stripes is a magnificent creature. Magnificent means? Yes? Wonderful. Magnificent means wonderfur. Magnificent creature. While the leopard is equally attractive with its richly spotted fur. So at first, look at some specific aspects, some characteristics, some spatial qualities. These may be called some spatial characteristics of the animals. The magnificence is not confined to large animals. So these beautiful aspects is not only seen in the large animals also, it can be seen in the small insects. Small insects such as butterfly. Who hasn't contemplated the delicate wings of a butterfly? Delicate. New words for you. Delicate. Delicate means soft. Soft. And wondered why nature has created such beauty. So who doesn't get surprised that looking at those nice, beautiful spots, beautiful nature, and the very much artistic. In fact, nature usually has a reason for the appearance of any animal on space. The butterfly's coloring is not just for embellishment. There is some hidden causes also. There is the color of the butterfly is like a camouflage. This is another aspect. It's like a camouflage. The vivid colors of some butterflies warn other creatures not to eat them, as well as allowing males to attract female butterflies. The tiger's stripes, on the other hand, keep it camouflaged as it stalks its prey. So, okay, as we don't have much time, from the first passage, your question will be maybe like this, that identify and write down some specific points, specific characteristics. So the question will be like this: identify and write down. Okay, everybody write down on your copy. Identify and write down some particular or specific features, spatial features. Identify and write down some spatial features of the animals given in the passage, given in the text. So you have to identify first. And write down some specific features. So first of all, your answer should be like this: the spatial features of the animals as described in the text. The spatial Everybody write down on your copy so that you can have the specific words, how to write specific words in your answer script. The special features of the animals as described in the text are given below. Of the animals as described in the text, as described in the text are as follows, or are as follows, or are as given below. So, at first you have to realize the meaning of the text. After that you will understand, you will go for the question that what the question is saying, and write down some specific or special features of the animals given in the text. So the special features of the animals as described, these given in the text, okay, I have written as described in the text, are as follows. So these question, these special are given in the text. This is from the question. So according to the question, you have to answer. Now, number 1. Now the main features at first. Look at, so people become astounded, people become astonished looking at the beauty of the animals. That means people are human being, whatever you say. People become astonished. Astonished means astounded. I am using the synonymous word here. In the text, you are seeing astounded. I have written astonished. People become astonished looking at the beauty of the animal, looking at their beauty, Number 2, so think of this. The sentences will be short and compact. So the tiger defined as stripes. So the stripes of the tiger is magnificent. The stripes of the tigers are magnificent or wonderful or marvelous. Okay? Tigers are magnificent and wonderful. Next, number 3. Look at the passage. The leopard is equally attractive with its richly spotted fur. That means the skin of the leopard. So the spotted fur of the leopard is attractive. The spotted fur of the leopard is attractive, marvelous, beautiful, wonderful, whatever you say, attractive. So I think from the back, can you see at the lower part, I have to write on the top. Can I clean from the top? This one? Okay. So in this way, you have to collect the information from the text. So, number 4. Now count for number 4. What will be the number 4? Who can tell me? Number 4. Now the insects. The intricate patterns of color of the insects. So people become surprised. We become surprised to see the intricate patterns of color. we get surprised to see the intricate patterns, the colorful insects. Number 5. What could be the next one? So people got surprised to see the beautiful and colorful insects and the butterfly, the delicate wings of a butterfly. We got people got astonished, overwhelmed and amazed. Okay, fine, thank you. People become amazed. Okay, very nice word, amazed. Amazed to see the delicate wings. Delicate means soft, thank you. Amazed to observe the delicate wings of butterfly. Delicate wings of butterfly. People became amazed to observe the delicate wings of butterfly. So these are the special qualities. These are the special qualities or characteristics or features or maybe aspects of the animals as described in the passage. So you just start writing from the question. According to the question, your answer should be like this. And if you can write like this, so I think, okay, you will achieve a good score, and desired score. So I think note making, okay, is clear to you? Yes. Suppose in a 1 hour class, 1.5 hour class, you can't write the full lecture. You have to write down some important points. This is called notes. The important topics. Okay, this is called note making. Any other question?